Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how we can plot some designs or colors using our macro code. So let's look into the code. Press Alt F11 on your Excel sheet and you'll go to your code. So this is a very simple code which I have written. So what we'll do, we'll take, I have taken a range from A1 to Z30. You can take any range. This is just for an example I have taken. So this code, what it does, it's um, it inserts a color. Okay, it fills the cell with a color and a random color, and so I have given a loop for each cell in a range. That means from A1 to Z30, it will go from A1, B1, and it will go on till Z30. And what it will do, this is a variable I have given random color. So this is the upper limit. So 1 crore or 10 million. Okay. And lower is 1. So between these two, any number, it will pick randomly it will pick any color. This is a code for randomizing or in, yeah. So, and it will fill that particular cell with whatever color it is randomized. So the colors will be very random and it will fill the cells. And we'll go to the next and loop until it has reached the last cell. Okay. So now let's run this one step by step and see how it happens. Random, it has picked some color 15,74,161. So that color it will fill. See? So it will go to the next. Now this time it has picked another number and it will keep going. It will fill that one. And we'll just run and see how it comes. See, it is filling the colors with random colors and you will get a beautiful canvas. You can run again and again or to get a different colors codes and it's I have given range A1 to Z30, but you can give any range of the rows, entire rows, or number of columns you can increase, or whichever area you want you can put in that range and color it. Okay, so this is one. We'll look into a different pattern also, how we can color in a different pattern. This is a random color. Okay, so now we'll go to another code. Okay, here. So what it will do, I'll just remove this color and we'll see. Let's say no fill. Okay. Then again all F11 to toggle between that. And here what I've done is alternative cells we will be coloring. So we'll find out. So if this cell is row is even and the so it will color the even row and even column. That means A1 is a even, A B B1 is not even because B1 is odd, but B is sorry, yes, even. So what I have given is if row is even and if you see here this color and column is also even, then color it with, we have given this RGB. RGB is nothing but red, green, blue. I've explained this in the previous videos. One of the videos you can check where I was specified about the colors. So what it will do, it will change the color of that with this. I've given a static number. You can change any number. Okay. And if it is row is odd, this is a worksheet function is even cell row. So cell row, if it is false and column is also false, then it will color with this. So we'll see how it works. We'll just run code. See, alternate colors. It is updating. So if you see, all the reds are uh, odd ones, blue ones are even. That means A and column A is 1, row is 1, 1 and 1 are odd, 1 and 3, C equivalent to 3. So this is odd. So all odds is coloring and it gives us a good pattern. Here I've given RGB red, green, blue, 100 parts of red, 0 part of green, and 255 part of blue. Similar way, 255 part of red, 100 part of green, 0 part of blue. So code starts from 0 to 255 RGB indexing number. Yeah. So it has given any nice pattern. You can change any of these uh, to any number, but the maximum is 255, 255, 255, 255. Okay, so you can give any combination and can look into the patterns and change. See. Yeah. So we'll come to another thing. Okay, so it will color only the even one. If the row is even, then color it. I'll just run it. It is coloring blue. Now, since red was there, it's showing up red. We can remove everything, so it will only show blue. So you can you can experiment with different numbers, rows, or columns, or any logic which you apply. So I just show you how we can do, and we'll go to another pattern. I just remove the colors and now fill. Now I'll see. First, I am running this code, and I'll explain you how it works. So, beautiful shade. This is a shade of blue and black, so you can always change it to the your choice. So if you see what I have done, uh, I've given a variable x and y. I'm dividing the row by 5. You can divide it by any number. So just to get a number. Okay. Y also I'm dividing by 5 number. And I'm rounding off this number to get one number. And I'm multiplying it by 20. You can multiply by any number. See, now I'll show you how the function works, what the function means. Okay, here, so function, wait, yeah. So worksheet function, why we are getting a column, it will divide by 5, whatever number fraction, it comes say 2.5, and it will multiply by 20 and round off to the 10 decimals. You can make it to 0, you can make it to 2, whatever. And that round off number, it will assign to the our RGB index. So this R, what I has given a variable R color, that is red color, green color, blue color, and we'll get one variable, and that we are incorporating RGB, and it will input. Yeah. So you can try this. You can try any combinations, or you can have your own algorithm to place it and create a nice pattern. So hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my video. I'll see you in the next video.